Hello, Myrtle Beach. This is a Kohler 125 kW generator head gasket repair performed by Myrtle Beach Generators. This 17-story resort was told by another company that it was unrepairable, stating parts were no longer available for this unit. When they requested a replacement estimate from us, we quickly found all the replacement parts, saving this resort well over $100,000. Are also going to take care of some problematic concerns so the customer doesn't have to worry about future breakdowns. We are replacing the cylinder head, injectors, oil cooler, and water pump along with all the related gaskets. Hope you enjoy the video! Hey everyone! Sadly, Mark was unaware of the storage space available on his phone. That being said, his phone stopped recording long before the end of this repair. Here is a quick video of the final result.